Is your Android phone lost or stolen? If yes, the video for today is going to be interesting because I'm going to show you not only how to block your lost or stolen Android phone, but also to ensure that it is actually blocked. I mean, how to know that your phone is blocked. If you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure your phone is lost or stolen. I'm very sorry about that, but the best thing that you could do now is to go ahead and at least secure your device so that nobody else gets access to it and misuses your information on the device. So the first thing is, when we lose our device, what we need to do is file in a missing complaint, which we do, and we get a attested copy of the report from the police station, right? Keep that document with you so that you're absolutely safe. I mean, in the future, if your phone is found, if it was misused, you should not be pulled up for it. Right? The next thing to do is get hold of a laptop or another phone and get to Google and do a search for Find Hub and get to Find Hub directly. I suggest you log in with the same email address that was on the device that was lost or stolen. And then select the device under devices that you're trying to track. And here you see three options to play sound. If you are dead sure about the fact that your phone is not in your house or is not nearby, this option is not going to be of any use to you right now. The second option is going to come in use, secure device. So when you click on secure device, you get a pop-up like this. You click on continue. This sets off. But in order for this to actually take place, or in order for this to actually work, your phone has to be online. If your phone is offline, this is not going to work for you. Just remember that. But if you just turn this on, whenever your phone is going online or coming online, it is going to get secured or blocked immediately. So after it is blocked, what is going to happen is that you're going to see a blocked notification out here for the phone. So it's not like you are not going to know anything. I mean, Google Find Hub is so smart that once it captures the location of the phone when it is online, whatever command goes from the application is recorded out here. So you're going to see that it is blocked out here itself. Now, apart from this, if you want to go ahead and block the IMEI, I suggest two options. The first thing is call up your phone's network provider and see if they have an option to blacklist your phone. Or you could look for a genuine website that is going to help you block the IMEI number and do IMEI tracking for your phone. In India, we have a department known as CEIR. This is the website. This website helps us in India to block lost or stolen Android or Apple devices. So we could just come on to this website, click on CEIR services, click on block stolen or lost mobile phone, and then we have to put in all the information out here. We just need two documents. One is the missing complaint and the other is the invoice, which is very simple and easy to get. We upload all the documents, fill up the details along with the IMEI number and everything, and then we get a confirmation number or a request ID. You could keep the request ID to track the progress of the investigation out here under check request status. So like this website, if you are in a different country like Malaysia or USA or Canada or wherever, you could check and see if you have an online service like this. So I hope by doing all of these things, you're able to block your lost or stolen Android phone. If you have any questions, any doubts, please leave a comment in the comment section below, or you could also send me an email. We could work together to look for a new solution to this problem. Take care, my friend.